Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll share with you a big airdrop earning opportunity, and the project is called Tempo. Their testnet has just recently launched. So why do I say this is a big airdrop opportunity? Because if you see their funding, then you'll be surprised. They have raised 500 million, which is huge. And if we talk about its investors, then here we get to see names like Paradigm and Sequoia Capital. Along with that, we also get to see the name of a big payment gateway like Stripe here as an investor. So what is Tempo and what are they building? In simple words, they are building a blockchain for payments. They are a layer 1 blockchain and their aim is low cost global transactions. If you want more information about them, you can visit their website where they have shared all the information. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn notifications on so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I've put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To join the airdrop, I'll provide all the links in a Telegram post in the video description. First, you need to come to this page. The first thing you need to do is connect your wallet. Here you will see multiple wallet options. You can connect whichever you want. I am going to connect my MetaMask wallet here. Now you can see that a pop-up has opened. Simply click on connect. After clicking on connect, your wallet gets connected here. Now you will see an option called add Tempo to MetaMask. Click here, then confirm the request. And now Tempo has been added inside your MetaMask. After this, what is the next thing you have to do? You have to add testnet funds to your wallet. That means you have to take the faucet here. For this, simply click on add funds. And done. Now you can see that you have received the faucet. After this, the third step comes. After adding the token, you have to click on show tokens. Now here you will get all the tokens one by one to add. You will click on add. After that, a confirmation will come from MetaMask. You will click on add token and your token will be added here. In the same way, you have to do this one by one for all 3 tokens. Done. I have added all 4 tokens here. After that, the 4th step comes in front of you. Here you have to click on set fee token. After that, again a transaction request will come in front of you. A very small fee will be deducted here, which will be less than 0.01, meaning only a few cents. We will simply click on confirm. Done. Now we have completed all the steps here. Along with this, you have to keep in mind that whatever testnet tokens you receive here, from time to time you have to keep transferring all these testnet tokens to other wallets. Now you will find a second link on our Telegram. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to this page. After coming here, first of all, you have to click on testnet. Then you will see the Tempo Testnet option. Simply click here, GM on Tempo Testnet. After that, a confirmation option will come from MetaMask. So confirm the request. Now again, you have to click on GM on Tempo Testnet. Now a transaction request has come in front of you. Here it is showing some network fee. You do not have to pay this network fee from your own pocket. This network fee will be deducted from the faucet you received earlier. So click on confirm and done. Our transaction has been completed here and we have successfully sent GM on the Tempo Testnet. After that, you will see deploy written at the top. You have to click on this deploy option. Again, we will click on testnet. Then under Tempo Testnet where you see deploy, so click there. Basically, what are we doing here? We are going to deploy a smart contract. Again, a transaction request will come here and the fee for this transaction will also be deducted from the same faucet. You simply have to click on confirm. Done. We have deployed our contract on the Tempo Testnet. Now you need to come to this page which I'll provide in the Telegram post. After coming here, first of all, you need to connect your wallet. Remember, you need to connect the same wallet which you connected earlier. As I connected MetaMask before, here again I am going to connect MetaMask. After connecting MetaMask, you simply need to buy a domain here. Now here I will simply type Moondrop Crypto, then click on search. Many network domains will appear in front of you. Simply scroll down and find Tempo Testnet, then click on approve USD. After that, whatever balance gets deducted will again be deducted from the faucet. So confirm the request. Now you have to click on register. Now we are registering our domain here. Again, a transaction request will come, which we have to confirm. Done. This work has also been completed. We have registered our domain here. With this, our airdrop joining process is complete, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.